Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a So guys, today's video, as you can see from the title or the thumbnail, is going to be my summer bucket list tick off. So in the summer, or before summer began, I did a summer bucket list. So if you did not watch that, you can go ahead and watch it now or not, because summer is done. But so yes, today is pretty much the last day of August. So I'm filming this on the same day I'm actually going to upload this. Once September started for me, I consider it the last day of summer. So I'm going to now go back into my notes where I had written down my summer bucket list, because I did not remove it. I kept it. So I'm gonna be putting it up on the screen. I'm gonna just screen record and you guys are gonna be seeing it over here, whatever is on my list, and you know, just to tick off whatever is happening. All right, so the first thing on my list was beach days. It's supposed to be days. I did go to the beach, so I guess I could tick that off. So yes, we did go to the beach, and I'm gonna be pretty much this is gonna be like a summer recap. So I'm just gonna roll some of the clips of beach days. And then the next thing we have is the road trip. We didn't get to go on the road trip because of Corona and just things that were happening. We didn't go anymore. So we're hoping to do this, like, we're not sure if it's gonna be summer or before summer. But once I do it, you guys know I'm gonna vlog it. So we didn't do that one. So we're gonna strike out that one. Now the next one is hotel visits. It's not visits but visit. We went to a hotel, so yes, we can take that off, and here are the memories from that trip. Alright, so the next one is photo shoots. I didn't necessarily do it as a photo shoot, but I did take a lot of pictures during the summer, and so yes, I would definitely say photo shoots. We got that down. So yes, we did some photo shoots, and here are some of the photos that I took. So the next one is pulling an all-nighter. We did wanted to try this so bad, but all right, let me tell you, the days are very boring most times. So to do an all-nighter, it means that we have to have something very, very, very fun planned for the evening, for the night. So we did not get to pull the all-nighter, so we're gonna just click that off. All right, so the next one is going on a date. Pretty much, did we go on a friend's date? I'm trying to remember if that trip that we went on, I don't remember. I'm gonna look and let you guys know. Yes, it is considered part of it because it's after the summer bucket list. So yes, we went on the date, so I would click that off. So the next one is DIY projects, shirts, jewelry, stuff like that. I did not get to do this. I totally forgot I had this to do, because I even forgot to even check the list of stuff. So it's like I forgot that I was supposed to be doing DIY projects, or I would have done one, you know. But yeah, so we didn't get to do this. I really wanted to do the shirt though, so I'm gonna still do it, but not for the summer because summer is done. But anyways, skateboarding, I can just take this off right now. I didn't get to buy the skateboard because of corona. We really did not. I haven't been to a store like to shop for things in a while. All I do is online shopping, and because school is coming up, I was shopping for school. So yes, you guys will be getting that haul, the school haul and whatever, very soon once I finish buying the stuff, because we need to buy like stationaries and such like that. I didn't buy the skateboard because I was gonna buy it for, you know, the summer, but I didn't get to, so we're gonna buy it for another time and we're gonna learn to skateboard. Anyways, movie nights with BFF. We had one where I could say it's a real movie night. We had movie times that we watched movies together, but that night we actually just sat down, and I'm gonna just show it because I didn't put this in any vlog at all. So yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys the clip of me and her having that movie night. It was really nice. I was actually bored the night and she said let's have a movie night, and how she just set up the room, you guys are gonna see. It was very fun and very nice, and the movie was amazing. So the next one is going to be a picnic. Picnic, we didn't do a picnic, we planned a picnic and everything, and it's like when the time came for us to do the picnic, it did not work out, so we didn't do the picnic. We actually bought the food and everything, and we eat the picnic food, but we did not have the picnic. So we're gonna start that out. We didn't do that one. Next one is sleepover. We didn't do that one either, so yeah, sorry for that, sorry about that. Anyways, the next one is going to be do my nails. So I did get my nails done. It's however not done at the moment because I took them off. So I did my nail like from the first part of the summer, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that in this clip. And the next one we have is get hairstyles. I did have two different hairstyles, kind of. So I did my hair the first time, braiding it very fine and whatever, which I will show you guys in the next clip. And also when I did it the second time, which I did some jumbo twist thing in my hair, so I'm gonna be showing you both of those. Alright, so the next one, which is one of my favorites ever, is a coffee shop visit. We did only one, but it was fun. Coffee is one of my favorite things. We did go to the to Margaritaville, and while at Margaritaville we did go to Starbucks, which is one of my favorite coffee places, pretty much the only coffee place I know, because there is another one in Jamaica which I want to visit, which is Cafe Blue, I think. Yeah, so if you know about Cafe Blue, comment something. If you know about them, just let me know how them work, and you know, I want to try it, and I think one day I might try it. I just need to find where the locations are. So the next one I have is Bible study. I did start my Bible study, but I wasn't consistent with it, I must say. I think for the entire summer I did it about like, I did it quite a few nights, but not as often as I would like. So yeah, I could take it off that I did start my Bible study. I still do need to buy a book. So when I'm doing back to school shopping, I will be buying like a notebook for it, because I have it written down in like a book in the back of a book, but I want to like, you know, try it. Anyways, next one, s'mores. Because I didn't go shopping in any big supermarket or anything like that, I haven't been to like Maple or Kingston to shop for groceries for the entire summer. So I did not get to buy any like graham crackers or any crackers. I didn't know where to get the graham crackers anyways. So that did not work. I still want to try it because I still want to try s'mores. So I think I'm gonna still try it, but we're gonna take that off. We're gonna start through that one. We didn't get that one done. All right, so I did make a lot of YouTube videos. That's for one. I made quite a few. I did game a lot more, but not as much as I wanted to. Trust me. I love to play Free Fire and Call of Duty. I like the idea of playing them, and for the entire summer I think I've played it like only twice. However, I did play a lot of Sims in the latter part, which is like the last part of the summer, because my game wasn't fixed and I had to fix it, and I decided to fix it the last part. So if you have not watched my gaming, if you're into Sims related content and you have not watched my Sims series, I started a Sims series. I have 3 series up now. I think I'm gonna edit the rest today. I think I've filmed like about 8. So yes, I have 8 videos to go and edit. So yes, I have quite a lot. But anyways, I did game a lot more, so I'll take that off. Go live on YouTube. I'm not the type that talks very spontaneously, so I have to really plan a live video. I can't just go live like how I know some persons, they're spontaneous enough to just go on a live and just talk. I will go on a live and freeze. Trust me, I don't do well with talking. I don't do well with communicating, and that's just me. However, I did plan on going live on YouTube, and I planned on doing it even up to yesterday, because I know most persons are home and I wanted to make use of that. However, yesterday I was just not feeling myself. We all have those days where we just feel down, we just feel sad. Yesterday was my day. So yeah, and the next thing is to have fun. I did have fun for the most part when I was going out, and you know, for the most part I had fun. I must say it could have been better, but I can't complain. I had fun, and I'm grateful that this year's summer was pretty much better than last year, because I didn't have any summer last year. So I was really excited for this year, and I'm really grateful to God that I actually got to go some places before the country was locked down. So yes, I'm really happy for that. So yes, that is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys did for your summer. I'm excited to know what you guys did for your summer. Just comment that down below. I'm really excited to read and see what you guys did for your summer. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell so you're notified when I make a video. Like this video, share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.